Hey guys, it's Monday. I was going to work out today. I was outside with my dog Tyr, and our neighbor's dog was out, and he barks whenever our dogs are out or whenever we're outside in general. And Tyr, for the first time ever, freaked out that another dog was barking at him and goes racing towards their gate. And I have one of those leashes that just elongates unless you press the button, and I didn't have my hand firmly on the leash, so I couldn't press the button right away. So I grabbed the leash while I was racing to catch up with Tyr, and I cut up my hand. Blistered up my hand, actually. Not cut up. You can't see. I'm not gonna show you on camera because I don't know how YouTube's gonna handle that. But it like blistered up this part, and it cut open my finger right here, and I can barely do this without hurting a lot in pain. So I can't lift weights right now. So I'm sure I'll be fine tomorrow, but it's just like because it's on the actual crease right here where it came down, and this one's on the crease bottom right here, and it's not a fun time. I have to even wear gloves when I'm washing dishes right now, and I can't even hold things properly while washing the dishes because I can't close my hand fully. It's fun in the sun, but I'm getting a lot of walking in today. I'm not carrying my phone with me the entire time, so I'm not counting my steps today, but I've been walking a lot because I've been cleaning. When Monday is usually my laundry day. Well, actually Sunday is my doing the laundry day, Monday is my folding the laundry day, and I usually do a lot of dishes on Mondays, and I try to dust as much as possible on Mondays. I'm working on a whole bunch of things at once right now, just 4 things at once. I'm writing, cleaning, reading, and doing videos. I finished the health weigh-in vlog today, Monday. I didn't finish it on Saturday because we were gone for a good chunk of the day on Saturday, and then I just fell asleep when I got home because I was really tired because I guess I didn't get enough sleep. I haven't been getting enough sleep lately. I've been waking up quite often lately, and it's been disturbing keeping myself awake throughout the day. I just fell asleep, and I fell asleep longer than I expected. I even put an alarm on for 45 minutes, just to sleep for 45 minutes, and I turned off the alarm and I just kept sleeping. So I didn't get nearly as much stuff done. I woke up at like 4:45, and I was like, okay, let's try to get as much cleaning done as possible because I won't be able to get the video done at all. And that's what I did. I got like a little bit of cleaning done before I had to go upstairs and help with cooking dinner and everything like that. But I am reading City of Bones, the More Intimate series, book 1. I'm not that far in it, but it's keeping me occupied from stress of not being able to work out, because I only worked out once last week. I'm having my psychiatrist appointment on the 17th of July. I was trying to get it earlier than that, but she's not at work for the next couple of weeks, and the week that she returns I tried to get an earlier appointment, and they said there was no available appointments earlier than the 17th that I had. So I'll just have to message her when I run out of medication and be like, hey, I need a refill just for the week, because I wasn't expecting to run out, because I don't know if I'll make it to the 17th without running out of my medication. I've been doing good on the medication. Nothing bad's happened. I'm only like slightly tired on some days, but that could just be from my antipsychotic. I haven't gotten much side effects. I got, like, I'm trying to think of the word, the no appetite for at least a couple days after I started taking the medication. Now I have an appetite, but I'm trying to schedule out my eating. I ate when I woke up, and now I'm trying not to eat until like 3 or 4 o'clock. Oh, hi. And it's 2:36 now, and I ate around 11:30, so 3 to 4 o'clock. I'm still not hungry, so I could probably wait even longer than that. We'll see. What are you doing, baby girl? You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. This is Navi. Not working out today. Hopefully I can work out tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing Wednesday. It's supposed to be storming this entire week, and it hasn't rained except for like on Friday. 165.6 pounds. Taking off 0.2 pounds is 165.4 pounds. I have lost 1.2 pounds for only working out once this week, and that wasn't even my fault. Zach got sick on Friday, so he just stayed home. So I couldn't work out Friday like I normally do. He woke up early Wednesday, so I couldn't wake up early for him and work out then either. So I can't remember Tuesday. I don't remember when I worked out. I don't know if it was Tuesday or Thursday. No, it wasn't Thursday, because Thursday I was walking around a lot. Yeah, so Tuesday I worked out. I can't remember my days very well, guys. I am so sorry. Let's see how many steps I walked. So Thursday I walked, oh wow, Wednesday I walked 4,859. That's not a lot for a person who normally walks. I don't normally walk, so that's a lot for me. But on Thursday I walked 5,802 steps. Just prove it to you. Can't see it very well, I'm sorry. And on Friday I walked 5,339 steps. So I did my steps for what I was trying to go for the goal of this year, which is just 5,000 steps, because I barely walk. I'm a rider. I sit on my butt most of the day. But I did a good job walking Thursday and Friday. But like I said, Zach got sick, so he had to stay home, and he woke up before me again. When we don't have alarms on, he usually wakes up before me. Most occasions, it depends on the scenario. Like on Sundays, when I have to do laundry, I have to wake up around like 9 o'clock, and he usually wakes up like later than that for some reason. But on Wednesdays, and apparently when he's sick, he wakes up early. And I'm not able to do anything before him getting up. So I only worked out once this week. I haven't been eating the greatest this week either, so I'm a little surprised I've lost weight. But I haven't been eating a lot. So like, I've been drinking a lot of tea. Sweet tea, so it has a lot of sugar in it. But I stopped like on Thursday. I don't think I drank any tea on Thursday, and I've been trying to drink water mostly, but I haven't been drinking a lot of water. I've just been drinking a cup here and there. I gotta change that bad, guys. It's not healthy to do that, so that's something I gotta change. Happy 4th of July, by the way, which was yesterday, and I just wanted to say that. I'm trying to think what else I've been doing that's health-wise. I've been doing pretty good. I haven't been depressed. I haven't been anxious. I haven't been doing any of that. I just been sitting around working on my book or reading or crafting. I read on the 1st and 2nd, so on Tuesday and Wednesday, and I stopped reading after that. And then I did crafts all 4 days of this month so far. Hopefully I'll do crafts today too. So I have a habit tracker that I keep track on that stuff. So this vlog will be smaller than the normal health vlog, my apologies. But I'm going to get to work on it almost right away after this. And try to get it up for you guys on time this time. Because last time I didn't, because I didn't get it done in time. I just got lazy. I slept for a good chunk of Saturday, so I didn't get it done in time. But I'm gonna work on it now and get it done for you guys. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.